So now I'll be giving one small test paper. 5 questions, 7 questions I'll give. Match the following. You have to do it. Okay. And let's check how many marks. What's your mark? Okay. It's okay. I'll be writing the question on the board. Write down. Match the following. Match the following. So this is the function f of x, f dash of x. Rahul Krishna, who is good. 7 questions. Find out the answer.
मैम
Is it over?
Can you share
Is it
that
over?
again? Can you share it again?
Huh?
Can you share the question again?
Okay. Five more minutes, okay? 5 more minutes. Make it fast. Finished, Rijas? Finished. Is it over? Gauri completed. Gauri, you finished? Completed that test paper? Is it over? Match the following. Is it over? Gauri? Okay. Are you ready, children? Shall we check the answer? Shall we check the answer?
1943 में 1919 World War II हाँ वाला मैंने नहीं पढ़ा, उसी में होता है।
Finished? Yes, everyone completed that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now give the answers. What's
उन्होंने
that?
सारे बाहर जाने वाले रास्ते बंद कर दिए।
Shubham?
ओपन फायर
Shubham?
है।
Okay, now let's check the answer. So what is the answer of the first one? 3x minus 5. What is its derivative?
3.
3. Okay, so the first one, answer is A. What about the answer of second one? X minus 3 the whole square. Derivative of x minus 3 the whole square.
2 into x minus 3.
Very good, Atul. It is, okay, second one, the answer is D. How? You can expand this, isn't it? When you expand it, what's that? X square, x minus 3 the whole square. When you expand it, you will get x square minus 6x plus 9. So derivative of x square is 2x. And derivative of 6 is minus 6. From these two terms, you can take 1, 2 outside, you'll get the answer. What about the answer of third one?
3x square.
3x squared. Fourth one, minus x raised to minus 1.
1 by x square.
Very good. It is 1 by x square. F. Okay, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Already one minus is there. That two negatives will combine and you will get positive. Then derivative of 3 by x square. Derivative of 3 by x square. This one we can write this as 3
3x
to x
square.
raised to minus 2. So what is the answer?
Minus 6 by x cube.
Minus 6 by x cube. Are you getting this answer, children? Then sixth one.
Yes.
Sixth one. What is the answer? Sixth one. X plus 1 by x minus 1.
Minus 2 by x minus 1 the whole square.
Minus 2 by x minus 1 the whole square. You have to use quotient rule here. U by V rule. Quotient rule. Then seventh one.
1 minus 1 by x square.
1 minus 1 by x square. Okay. Are all your answers correct? Is it correct? Nandana, are you getting the answer for all these questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Rijas? Rijas is here, Rijas?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay? Are you getting the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next question, children. The next one. Find the derivative of x raised to n plus a x raised to n minus 1 plus a square x raised to n minus 2 plus etc. plus a n raised to n minus 1 into x plus a raised to n. Find the derivative of x raised to n plus a x raised to n minus 1 plus a square x raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus a raised to n minus 1 into x plus a raised to n, where a is some fixed real number, where A is some fixed real number and n is any positive integer, where A is some fixed real number, and n is any positive integer, and n is any positive integer. So we can name this function as f of x.
दीदी को देखने गया था।
Okay, children. So f of x is given. Listen, children, here A is given as a fixed number. It's a fixed number. Okay, so that means A is constant. A is constant. So can you give what is f dash of x here? What is f dash of x? What is the derivative of x raised to n? What is the derivative of x raised to n?
nx
nx
raised
raised to
nx
n minus
raised
1.
to n minus 1. Plus A being constant, we can keep it as such. A into. What is the derivative of x raised to n minus 1? What is the form? What is the method we have learned? Put the power in the front and reduce the power of x by 1. So n minus 1 minus 1. What is n minus 1 minus 1? It is n minus 2. Is it okay? It is n minus 2 plus a square is constant. A square into. What is the derivative of x raised to n minus 2? It is n minus 2 into x raised to n minus 2 minus 1, which is same as n minus 3. Plus and so on. Plus a raised to n minus 1 being constant, you can keep it as such. What is the derivative of x?
1.
1. Plus, what about the derivative of a raised to n? A is a constant. So, the derivative will be 0. So, it is same as n into x raised to n minus 1 plus a into n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 2 plus a square into n minus 2 x raised to n minus 3 plus and so on plus a n raised minus 1. Is it okay? Okay. So the next one. Next one. If f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 9, if f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 9, show that f dash of 1 is equal to f dash of 2. Show that f dash of 1 is equal to f dash of 2. How many of you did yesterday's homework question? That very good. Good. That question, whether this question is given?
Yes,
There, there we did this with
first principle.
first principle. Here method is not specified. For the exam, if the method is not specified, you can do by using the formula. Don't go with first principle. It's a lengthy one. Okay, but the formula, direct application of the formula is an easy one. If the method is not specified, you can do it by the method I feel this is easy. What about you? Is it first principle is easy or this one is easy?
This one is easy.
This direct formula application, I feel it is easy, isn't it? Okay. So f of x is given. You have to prove f dash of 1 is equal to f dash of 2. So you find what is f dash of x first. What is f dash of x? F of x is given. From there you find what is f dash of x. So it will be f dash of x.
6x square
6x square
minus 18x
minus 18x
plus 12.
plus 12. Then now find out what is f dash of 1 and you find what is f dash of 2 and check whether they are same. Find what is f dash of 1 and find what is f dash of 2 and check are they same.
Yes, ma'am.
What is f dash of 1? And you put
Zero.
0. And what about f dash of 2?
0.
0. Therefore, you'll get f dash of 1 is same as f dash of 2. F dash of 1 is same as f dash of 2. Hope you all completed this one. Alvin, Benny, is it over? Is it clear, Alvin?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is an important one. If you have any doubt, clear it now itself. Write the next one, children. Okay, find the derivative. Find the derivative. X raised to minus 4 into 3 minus 4 into x raised to minus 5. X raised to minus 4 into 3 into, sorry, x raised to minus 4 into 3 minus 4 x raised to minus 5. So two ways are there, isn't it? How will you find the derivative here? How will you find the derivative? We can use the product rule, or what is another way? You open the bracket, expand it, and that way also you can try. Okay, this question we can do it in two methods. So, okay, in first method what I am going to do is I'm going to open the bracket here. So y is equal to, when you multiply this, 3x raised to minus 4 minus 4 into, when you multiply this, what you will get? When you multiply, we add the powers, isn't it? X raised to minus 9. Now what is dy by dx?
Ma'am, I have a
yes.
doubt. When we
Yes.
are finding dy by dx,
Ah,
we should take minus 4 into 3 or positive 4 into 3.
can you repeat? Minus?
Should we take minus 4 into 3?
Minus 4 into? Yes.
3.
When you find dy by dx? Minus 4 into 3. Which one? After finding derivative, you are asking. Up to this point, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Then next you find the derivative. 3 into, yes, what? How we do the usual method?
No, ma'am. If there is negative, is there any problem?
No problem. As usual, what we do in the same way only you have to do. Here, listen, here 3 into minus 4 x raised to minus 5. Is it clear, Achut? 3 into x raised to minus 4. What is the derivative of x raised to minus 4? Minus 4 into x raised to minus 5. Again, minus 4 is there. What is the derivative of x raised to negative 9? It is minus 9 into minus 10. So this one will become negative 12 x raised to minus 5 plus 36 x raised to negative 10. This is one method, 1b. What about the another method? Y is equal to x raised to minus 4 into 3 minus 4 x raised to minus 5. Here I am going to solve this using product rule. The first function is u and the second function is v. UV rule. So what is dy by dx? It is same as u into v dash plus u dash into v. U into v dash. So u x raised to minus 4 into v dash. This one's derivative. Derivative of 3 is 0. Minus 4 into, what is the derivative of x raised to minus 5? Minus 5 x raised to minus 6. Plus u dash. What is the derivative of x raised to minus 4? Minus 4 into x raised to minus 5 into 3 minus 4 x raised to minus 5. This is same as x raised to minus 4 into, this is 20 x raised to minus 6. Plus into minus is minus. 4 3s are 12. 12 x raised to minus 5. Again minus into minus, this is plus 16 x raised to, when you multiply we have to add the powers, isn't it? 16 x raised to minus 5 and minus 5 means it is x raised to 10. So you'll get 20 x raised to negative 10 minus 12 x raised to minus 5 plus 16 x raised to negative 10, which is same as 36 x raised to negative 10 minus 12 x raised to minus 5. So in both the methods you will get the same answer. In both the cases you will get the same answer. In both the cases, you will get the same answer. For the exam, I feel the first method is easy. So the method which one you feel easy, select that method and solve it. Now next one. Next one. Find the derivative of sin x plus cos x by cos x. Sin x plus cos x by cos x. What is the derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x. What is the derivative of cos x?
Minus sin.
Minus sin x.
Sin x. So here it is in the quotient rule, u by v. So u is sin x plus cos x. What about v? V is cos x. Find what is u dash. What is u dash? Derivative of u. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus, this is minus sin x. What is v dash? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Now write the formula. What is f dash of x? U by v the whole dash is equal to. Can you give the formula, Gayatri?
V u dash minus u v dash by v square.
By v squared. Very good. So apply the values there. V into v is cos x into u dash. It is cos x minus sin x minus u. U is sin x plus cos x into v dash. V dash is minus sin x. So minus, I'm combining this and I'm writing this as plus sin x by v square by cos square x. Now you open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you'll get cos square x minus cos x sin x plus sin square x plus cos x sin x by cos square x. Is it correct? Now here cos x sin x, positive cos x sin x and negative cos x sin x will get cancelled. What about cos square x plus sin square x? What is cos square x plus sin squared x?
1.
1. So it is 1 by cos square x. Now what is 1 by cos? Recall all the identities what you have learned in trigonometry. What is 1 by cos?
C.
Sec theta. So it is sec square x. 1 by cos is sec. So it is sec square x. We are using the identities. We need the identities in trigonometry. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Today, what all the things we have learned? We have learned so many formulas today. We learned the derivatives of trigonometric functions. What is the derivative of tan x, Shivani? Shivani is here? No. What is the derivative of tan x? Derivative of tan x. It is sec square x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. What about the derivative of sec x? Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Sec x tan x. Okay. So today what you have to do is, no other homework I am going to give. Write down all the formulas separately and learn all the formulas. Okay. Okay, children, learn the formulas. And okay, tomorrow I'll be asking the formula to each and everyone. Be ready for the formula, for answering the formulas. If you learn the formulas only, the next topics and all, we can move it easily. Okay, children, you can wind up with this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.